Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Mogo's operations. Does Mogo operate only in Canada or internationally? The answer is both. The company has a two-pronged approach. First, the core financial services platform, which includes products like personal loans, credit monitoring, and investment products, is focused on the Canadian market. Their website and official resources state that their mission is to serve Canadians and help them improve their financial health. However, the second part of their business is international. This is primarily through their subsidiary, Carta Worldwide, which is a digital payments company. Carta Worldwide provides a platform for other companies to issue and process cards and payments. This business operates in various countries across Europe, Asia, and other parts of the world. Additionally, there's a separate entity, Eleven Group, which also uses the Mogo brand for vehicle financing and loans in various countries in Europe, Asia, and Africa. So, while the main consumer-facing brand for financial services is geared towards Canadians, the company's overall business, particularly in the B2B payment space and vehicle financing, has an international reach. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.